Hello friends, today we will explain Budapest Gambit part 3. White plays d4, nf6, white c4, e5, d cross e5, knight will go to g4, and here if white plays queen d4, then what will happen? Whether this move is according to chess principles? No, because moving the queen in opening is not a good move. It is a bad choice because black will get tempo here. So here what black should do, he will play d6, then saving this knight. If e cross d6, then he will win tempo first, knight will go to c6. Here he cannot play back to d1, then what will happen? If here white plays q d1, he is gone. Why? Bishop cross d6, and now what white should do? If white plays like g3, a3, or knight is here, he is gone. Let's say nf3, if he plays, black will take knight cross pawn. What to do? Threatening this queen, this rook. If this is taken, then bishop will go to here and white resigns, losing queen. So here be cautious of this trap. We will take back the position. See this position. If here white plays, let's say queen e4 check, then black will develop this bishop to e6, and here what to do? If knight f3, knight is developed, then queen cross pawn, he wants long castling, then what to do? If knight c3, let's say long castling. Now how he will castle? Here white plays, if e3, try to develop this bishop and castle, then what will happen? Knight will go to back f6, and this creates problem for white. See this position where white should play his queen. Queen on here is not a good choice. What to do? Where this queen will go? Here knight will come here. Only option, queen is here, then knight is here threatening this. What to do? He cannot play knight because of queen is here mate. So here option is queen back on b1. Then here black plays queen d7. What is this move? Threatening bishop on f5, taking this queen. What to do? Here white plays bishop e2. He thinks that this pawn will save the game, but it is a wrong thinking. Let's say bishop f5, if pawn is moved, knight cross pawn, knight cross knight. Here black sacrifices a piece, then bishop check, and here white cannot play bishop here. Why? If bishop d2, then bishop cross knight, queen will be go here, and this bishop is lost. Bishop cross bishop, knight cross bishop, and queen cross, taking the piece back and taking game, winning the game. So here only option is king will go to f1. Now black will develop his rook h on e8, threatening to take this knight. Now what to do? How to save this knight? If knight will go here, then f6, this will be refuted by f6, no use. So what to do? How to save this queen? If a3 is played, let's say, then bishop cross knight, queen will go to a3, and here bishop cross knight. See this move, and here white has gone. White has no good option. He controls all files, all games. Here bishop, he cannot take with this bishop because of rook will come here and mate. So only option is pawn cross, bishop f3, queen will go to h3 check. What to do? Only move is g1, rook check. He sacrificed rook here, bishop cross d1 and rook mate. Rook e1 mate. So in this, playing the queen in the early position in the opening is not a good choice. Be cautious. Hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Stay tuned with Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.